This is Stephen Munson, the world traveler. We're at the Great Sand Dunes National Forest in Colorado, and we're gonna try sandboarding for our first time. We're also gonna camp in remote areas underneath the stars. We're gonna go to waterfalls, hot springs, jump in rivers and lakes, and I'm bringing you along with me. Back at it again, and this is just gonna be crazy. There's 25-mile-an-hour winds, huge open plains, and we're gonna camp out here, and then we're gonna drive 17 minutes and we're gonna go down the sand dunes. No matter how windy it is and sunny, we're gonna do it. We're gonna get a ride in, and then we're gonna come back to camp. Hopefully the tent's still here and there's no fire ban. We can cook some dinner. If not, it's gonna be a long night because I'm gonna be super hungry. I have not eaten yet. It's 4 p.m. Just drove 4 hours to get here, and I'm determined for the first time ever to go sandboarding. I would imagine it's gonna be very difficult to document because the wind is about 25 miles an hour. Luckily, I got my board strapped on my back. Just send it and pray and wish for the best. Let's go. I gotta come back and do this again tomorrow. I originally had my camp spot at number 19 inside the park. I went there, I wasn't vibing with it. Too many people, too close, too tight, no big advantages. I'm going out and just camping out in the middle of nowhere. great time. This is a killer little camp spot. I'm all nestled in, good fire going. I don't know exactly what we're gonna have for dinner because it's pretty late, but I'll probably whip up a little something. Not my typical Michelin star camping meal, but we're gonna have a little something. And either way, I'm happy. This is a beautiful night. Thank you, Lord, for this another great day in paradise. Tonight's dinner is gonna be very simple because it's dark and it's late. All I'm gonna do is cut an onion just to get the little sizzle. I really want to have the little sizzle action, just a little bit of flavor. Is to make a cooking area, so I'll take this over here. And look, this is all common sense. No one ever taught me to do this. I mean, maybe when I was like a little kid, but yeah, I guess someone did teach me how to do this when I was a little kid. I need one more rock over there. Okay. We got a pan. That's a stove. That's a stove back in the day. That's a stove today. This beautiful organic apple. That is so good and crunchy and juicy. Oh yeah, that's all. Oh, cool. In the very good. Homemade apple campfire chicken. Dear Lord, thank you for another epic day. Every day I stride to get better and better. I get back on the horse and I keep on going. More battles, more breakthroughs, more blessings. Guide me through the night and let me see a new day. Whoa, that is 5 stars. I can't believe it. In a lot of ways, this is the most peaceful place I've been. The sky is wide open, so it's pristine beauty. I mean, I'm just laying here by this crackling fire, and I look up and I see thousands of stars. It's just sheer beauty. Well, I just fell asleep out here. It's so peaceful. It's about 11:45 now, so I think I'm gonna go get in the tent and get some sleep so we can have an epic day tomorrow. No clue what the plan is, just wake up and win the day. Win the day. Wake up and win the day. 5 a.m. It's about the best I've ever slept in a tent. I mean, I don't know exactly why. Just the temperature's perfect. I had really good dreams. I can't remember any of them. And I know I didn't sleep very long, but I feel great, very grateful. And I'm thinking, might as well just go out there now, super earlier than I was thinking. and just catch some of the sunrise. So, good morning. Let's go. I didn't make coffee or anything. I did have this one sip of coffee from yesterday, so it was pretty awesome. It's like 2 sips, really. Go. Sun's not up yet. Sand is really cold, so I do have my socks on. I'm sure it'll warm up here soon. We call this Dawn Patrol. It's a surfing term now used for sandboarding. First run of the day. It's a steep one. This is kind of the first big one. There's other ones behind me, but I don't really see any reason to go beyond this right now. And there's like a little wedding going on right there. A couple people down there meditating, taking photos. Got the camera all the way down there, so it should be cool. Okay, let's go. Good workout. There's a lot of awesomeness going on here. I'm gonna go head back to camp, get cleaned up, maybe get some more water, and keep on with the day. I'm glad I'm leaving already. The sun is gonna be brutal. We got other stuff to do, so I came, I saw, I conquered, and glad I did it. Glad I did it. I think I need like I would prefer a different board where I could put my feet in there a little bit better, but besides that, first go around, it was a success. How about we go do a waterfall now? It's Monday, so I might as well hit up a waterfall. One of the most amazing places. It's all these hot springs everywhere, this huge piece of land. They only allow a certain amount of guests per day. It's beautiful. Look at this. I got just super lucky to find this place. I was just about to turn back and keep going. You can see it's really dark, but I hear some animal noises, which is okay. There's a perfect fire pit and a log. I mean, I just found like a paradise place in the middle of the dark. I'm so pumped. So I'm hungry, it's late. I don't know what to do, but I'm gonna make a fire really quick. up there. Look at this setup. Those are definitely coyotes. Super sketchy. Good night. It's about 11 o'clock. I decided just to eat a little bit of cheese and call it a wrap. Too late to have a big dinner. And you got a bunch of coyotes running around. Might as well just get some good sleep. It's gonna be super cozy. I've lasted as long as I could with the rain, cleaned up my camp, and I can see a big storm coming That looks so fun. I gotta do that. I just driving by and I saw this pull off, so I wanted to see, and it's just this huge adventure place. I gotta go stay there. I'll go do that. That looks so fun. We started the day in the dust and winds of the dunes and ended it with horses grazing under Colorado skies. From desert to country, from chaos to calm, that's the kind of ride I live for. Out here, you don't just escape the noise, you clear it away. Every mile you drive, every trail you walk, every fire you build, you're decluttering your mind and your life. You're making space, and when you make space, you make room for you. This ain't just about the views, it's about the mission, the movement, the vow to live free, to heal, and to carry the fire. So whether you're watching from the city, we're sitting under the stars tonight. Just remember, the wild will set you free. New episodes every Saturday. No fluff, no filter. Just the truth and the terrain. Stay wild, partner.